We're having Innovation Summit in Santa Barbara. There's a light, gentle breeze coming off the ocean. It's perfectly clear skies. A good time to be here. We founded CrossnoKaye in 2017, and since then we've seen a very clear pattern of every year we double. Value to the customer, the technology itself. This Innovation Summit, candidly, every year it's twice as good.
Everybody's catching this revolution of sustainability, of energy efficiency, of operational efficiency. This is finally where our industry has taken off. It's getting really exciting.
Individuals now feel empowered to be able to help facilitate change and drive it.
A single tool like Atlas help us how we operate our facilities and refrigeration systems. It's going to be key to our success.
They're the first entity that's really been able to come in and help my organization.
We've seen tremendous savings at a few facilities, upwards of 20 to 30%.
And I want to say we saved $500,000 to $600,000 in 1 month at just one facility.
In our industry of food storage warehousing, reducing waste is good for everybody.
What we saw this year at the summit, I'm just shocked at how quickly it's progressing, how quickly it's changing, and I'm really excited for what's to come on some of the new innovations that they're working with.
I'm very excited to announce Aura.
And what's awesome is with the new technology coming out, we're just at the very beginning, and we also can tell that there's so many things we've built on top of this. These are the foundations to ensure that doubling of value to the customer for the next 3-5 years, and we're super excited about that.
We're excited to announce Innovation Summit 2026.
We look forward to having you all here in Santa Barbara.